We use this, which is Let's Resin silicone rubber, and the hardness is 10A, and you mix it 1-to-1 by weight. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this cardboard to make us a mold, and we're going to do 3 glue sticks side by side. This will give us nice long trays and guarantee we can pour everything up in one go. First thing I want to do is I want to draw a couple of straight lines to have a place to put the bead of hot glue, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hot glue sticks and glue them down to the bottom of this, and that'll give them a place to be, and we can glue them down. What we'll do is we'll put a bead of hot glue all the way down this line, and this will give us a place to glue one of our glue sticks down to the bottom, and it will be the top of the mold is what we'll be working with. So we'll put us a bead of hot glue all the way down this line, and boom. That ought to be good. And we can take this glue stick here, roll that over onto the top of that, and we'll clean this up later with scissors. It'll be just fine. We'll put a little finger stroke down the edge, make that smooth. And now we have one tray ready to go. So with all our glue sticks glued down and ready to go, we need to fold up these edges, and then we'll put tape on the inside to make it waterproof and keep everything from leaking out, and then we'll hot glue it on the outside, and then we'll make up our silicone and pour it in there. That finishes up our silicone mold. Now we just got to mix up the silicone by weight. Let's go. Here we're going to take part A, and we're going to weigh out just a little bit. We don't really know exactly how much we need, but we can assume we need to start with about 200 milliliters, but we still got to do it by weight because that's how it's done. So let's put in approximately 200 milliliters right to there, which is 6.8 ounces. Let's find that out in grams though. The more sensible measurement. Look at that, 200 grams, 296. All right, so we need that same amount of part B, which is this one here. I'm gonna take this lid off. This thing is falling apart. So we'll bring that up to 400. It should be easy to get. Let's see, there's 300. 350, 380, oh, almost there, and boom, 400 grams. So we'll just sit there and mix that up really good till it's all the same solid color, nice and mixed thoroughly. Now that we have our silicone mixed, we'll pour it from up high. This helps get rid of any bubbles, and it would help if I poured it inside the mold and not on top of the tape. How about that? La da 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 da. La, da, 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 da. We'll come over here and do the same thing, kind of help it spread out a little bit. La, da, 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 da. That is absolutely perfect. That was only just a little bit left over. We don't want too much left over, but perfect. We're going to let this set. It takes about 24 hours, and we'll come back when it's set.